Hey everybody, greetings from the channel again. Today we're going to look at a smartphone that redefines what a smartphone camera can achieve, not merely upping the standard. Introducing the Sony Xperia 1V, a gadget designed for artists, photographers, and everybody else who enjoys capturing life in its most authentic form. Although Sony has always been renowned for its inventiveness, the Xperia 1V is a phone that seems to have been expertly designed. It's a creative powerhouse, not simply a smartphone. So, let's get started if you're prepared to discover the greatest smartphone camera available right now. Let's start by discussing the design. With the Xperia 1V, Sony has maintained its distinctively simple design and it looks fantastic. The phone's tall, thin design and 21:9 aspect ratio make it ideal for one-handed use and watching movies. The slide texture not only looks fantastic but also adds grip, and the frosted glass back feels high-end. You may shoot in the rain or at the pool with confidence because the phone is IP65-68 approved for water and dust protection. It stands out in a sea of similar smartphones because it is stylish, robust and distinctively Sony. Let's now discuss the display. Sony has fitted a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED screen to the Xperia 1V. You read correctly 4K on a smartphone. The contrast is stunning, the colors are vibrant yet organic, and the detail is astounding. This display makes everything stand out. Whether you're browsing social media, editing pictures or watching movies, even better, every interaction is buttery smooth thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. It's a dream gadget for movie buffs and gamers as well as a phone for photographers. Let's now discuss performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and 12GB of RAM power the Xperia 1V's internal components. It manages everything you throw at it with ease and is quick and smooth. This phone runs well whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos or using numerous apps. Additionally, Sony has included some special multitasking features. Its 21:9 aspect ratio makes it easy to run two apps side by side. You can edit images while looking at your gallery or respond to emails while watching YouTube, making it ideal for productivity. The near-stock Android operating system of the Xperia 1V is clear, user-friendly, and devoid of superfluous bloatware. Additionally, Sony has included several creative tools such as the Photo Pro and Video Pro applications, which put professional-level control at your fingertips. Not to be overlooked is the audio. Sony's front-facing stereo speakers and high-res audio capabilities provide a rich audio experience whether you're editing audio, viewing movies, or listening to music. It's a full package of entertainment. Considering the 4K display and powerful technology, the Xperia 1V's 5000 mAh battery is amazing. With moderate to heavy use, it comfortably lasts a full day. If you're running short on battery, wireless and rapid charging can help, in order to keep your phone dependable for years. Sony has also integrated battery care technologies that lessen wear and tear over time. These kinds of considerate features are what make the Xperia 1V a wise long-term purchase. Alright, the camera is where the Xperia 1V really excels. With this phone, Sony has applied its experience from the Alpha series cameras, and the results are just amazing. The 52MP Exmor-T sensor, the focal point of this triple lens system, captures breathtaking detail even in low light. However, the software is where the true magic lies, whether it's a moving car, your pet, or a candid photo. Sony's real-time eye focusing and object tracking ensure that your subjects are always in excellent focus. The adaptability is unparalleled. With your ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto lenses, you can easily capture everything from close-ups to vistas. Additionally, the Cinematography Pro software gives video producers complete creative flexibility by enabling them to shoot in 4K at 120 frames per second. What sets it apart is that it's more than simply a camera. Simply said, this is the greatest smartphone camera available right now if you're serious about taking pictures or shooting videos. So what is the Sony Xperia 1V's final verdict? To be honest, this phone seems to have been designed with makers in mind. Delivering tools that encourage innovation and enable you to push limits is more important than simply having the best specifications. The Xperia 1V's professional-grade camera system and gorgeous 4K display serve as a reminder of why we adore a technology. It's not just about what a gadget can accomplish, but also about how using it makes you feel. What about this phone? It gives you the impression that anything is possible. I sincerely appreciate you viewing. Give this review a thumbs up and think about subscribing for more in-depth reviews if you find it useful. Which Xperia 1V feature most excites you? Share your thoughts in the comments section. I would adore hearing from you. Stay inspired and creative till the next time, and I'll see you in the next video.